Try out these tips for cleaning front loading and top loading washing machines with ease. If your washing machine is smelling worse than your sweaty workout shirt, it's time to give it a good cleaning. Yes, even washing machines get dirty, so it's helpful to know how to clean washing machines. Hi, good morning. This is Domingo and welcome to my YouTube channel. This morning, I'm going to share to you, especially those who are homemakers like me, how to clean a washing machine and how often to do it. Okay? Try out these tips for cleaning front loading and top loading washing machines with ease. If your washing machine is smelling worse than your sweaty workout shirt, it's time to give it a good cleaning. Yes, even washing machines get dirty, so it's helpful to know how to clean washing machines. Laundry soils, detergent, and hard water minerals build up in areas and can't see, and mold and mildew can thrive in the washer lid and the door, according to green cleaning coach Leslie Richard. Laundry soils, detergent, and hard water minerals build up in areas you can't see, and mold and mildew can thrive in the washer lid and the door, according to green cleaning coach Leslie Richard. So, how do you do funk a washer? Richard suggests using these easy green cleaning tips every 6 months to avoid any issues. Here's how to clean your washing machines with vinegar and baking soda. What do we need to have? White cleaning vinegar, spray bottle, microfiber cloth, and baking soda. Yes, you really can use vinegar to clean 28 different types of things in your home. What you'll do: number one, the first step is cleaning the washing machine with vinegar. But before cleaning the washer drum, spray the gasket with white vinegar and wipe with a damp microfiber cloth. The rubber gasket at the front of the washer, especially in a high efficiency washer, accumulates water, hair, scum, and mildew. Number two, set the washer to the highest level and the hottest water temperature. Number three, add 2 cups of white cleaning vinegar to the detergent dispenser. Number 4, run it through a complete cycle. Number 5, run another cycle on the highest level and at the highest water temperature, this time adding 1/2 cup of baking soda to the drum. Number 6, when cycle is done, wipe inside drum of water with a damp microfiber cloth. Number 7, while you're at it, wipe down the front of the machine too. Is cleaning the microfiber really better than using a regular cloth? Yes, maybe. And that's all are the 7 cleaning tips of our washing machine. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this is very useful for us, because we used to just use our washing machine without cleaning it, right? Or we just clean it but not thoroughly. Thank you so much. God bless. And bye. Keep smiling.